we will be making barbecue butterfly chicken for our grandchildren tomorrow. And we are going to marinate it today and leave it, and we will be baking tomorrow. And we will marinate the chicken with barbecue and others ingredient. We will not be adding any spices or chili powder, because our grandchildren are small one. They will not eat any spicy addition. Now we have marinated the chicken with the garlic soy sauce, barbecue sauce, and the mustard sauce. So all done perfectly, of course by me, and all looking great. So we will be keeping in the fridge overnight, and then they will be ready for baking tomorrow. That is the barbecue chicken that we made it. We marinated yesterday and got it today and baked it. Look fantastic, look juicy, and very, very nice, mouth-watering. Thank you very much for watching this channel. I appreciate your subscription to our channel. Thank you.